Hey, what's up everybody? It's Keith Wilson from DG Airbrushing with another airbrushing video, and we are at World of Wheels Omaha 2023. And one of my favorite bikes of all time, Batman bike. You can see Gotham right there on the trunk and the Batman emblem on fire. It's from one of the Batman movies. On the side you got the Batmobile with Batman's face, bats throughout with smoke. On the heat shields you could see it's supposed to be Gotham. Well, you could see Gotham. That's what it is. It's not what it's supposed to be. That's what it is. And the penguin right there, the duck, and the sewer. The bike is phenomenal. A guy by the name of Dan Crawford and Stacy Crawford owned the bike. There's Two-Face. Like I said, bats and smoke throughout. There is the Riddler. Bane. But everything on this bike is thoroughly custom. I mean, everything is custom. Dan did a lot of the fabrication himself. And you could see how much he really, truly cares about the bike. His heart and soul is into it. Batman mask is a nice little accent. If you look closely on the engine, where those rods go in, I forgot what they're called, but each one of those are dremeled out, these sharp edges, so it's similar to a bat. And we're going to go across the front fairing. We're going to see Gotham Harbor with the batarang flying across it. Again, smoke and bats. Bat emblem across the headlights. More bats. There's Batman sitting on top of a tower or sharp point of a building. You can see that Gatling gun right there. It's actually the intake, and it spins while the motorcycle's moving. More bats. Another Batman. That's Axis Chemicals next to him. Footboards. Everything is custom. Like I said, it's a beautiful bike. House of Color. Big shout out to House of Color. There's Heath Ledger's Joker with a pile of money on fire. Another Gotham emblem, Gotham City. Lightning. Those are pretty intricate for small pieces, I believe. We're going to go to the saddlebag of Michelle Pfeiffer's Catwoman. I think the whole thing turned out really well. There's always things you could improve and make better, but if he's happy, I'm happy. And I couldn't be more grateful for the opportunity to do this job. We don't know if we won any awards yet. We'll find out tomorrow morning. Stay tuned for that, because I will tell everybody he deserves an award for this bike, I think. But sometimes it's not about deserves, as we know in life. The name of the bike is Gotham, by the way, which I think is super cool. There is the rear of the bike. Tell me what you think in the comment section. Like and subscribe. I appreciate everybody watching. Thanks a lot. God bless. It's getting late. I'm out.